Hey guys, again, welcome back to my channel, iXaxity. So today I'm back with the most requested video, that is IELTS speaking cue cards for your December month IELTS test. Okay, so we are going to see 30 cue cards, that is selected cue cards for your December month. So you can prepare with this. So let's start with the video. So first cue card, describe a large company that you are interested in. You should include which company is it, what business it does, how you know about it, how you feel about it, and why you have interest in this company. So try to include all the sub questions in your talk. So you have 1 minute time for preparation and you want to continuously talk for 2 minutes, that you already know. So it's always better to start off with an interaction. So here you can give, there are many large and successful corporations in the world today. Like you can give some examples like Amazon, Reliance, Google, and so on. So the company which I am interested to work is, then you can talk about that particular company in detail. Then your second cue card, describe a school or company uniform you have worn. You should say what it was, how you got it, what it looked like, and explain how you felt about it. So you want to talk about any school or company uniform. So here you can start up like uniform is very important to maintain the discipline in school or even at workplace. So it also help in distinguishing between the customer and the employees or the students of different schools. So it is why every place has different uniform. So I do not wear any uniform now, or you can say in our company we have one uniform and it's like, then you can describe about the uniform. Okay, so if your company not having any uniform means you can talk about the uniform which you wear during your school age. Okay, then moving on to the next cue card. So either they will ask you like describe a person who you think is very open or energetic person that you know. So who this person is, how you know this person, why do you think this person is very energetic or open, and explain how you feel about this person. So according to the question only you want to answer. I think very few people today are very open and frank. So I'm not a very open person, I'm so introvert, or you can say I'm so extrovert person. Or you can talk like, when I started thinking about an energetic person or the open person, one person came to my mind, that is especially my uncle, my auntie, or anyone. Okay, then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a job you would not like to do in the future. So sometimes they will be asking like the job which you like to do in the future, or it's like this, describe a job you would not like to do in the future. So you should say what it is or how it is done and how you know about it, and explain why you would not like to do this job, or according to the question why you like to do this job. Okay, so you can give an introduction about the job, or how much job is important in our life or for our survival. Like nowadays people have a lot of job options and everyone has a preference related to the job they would like to do or not. So also no job is easy nowadays, and there is a lot of competition, and we are now living in a competitive world, and it's very hard to get a job, and people have to work really hard in their work. Okay, like that you can continue. Moving on to the next cue card. Describe a practical skill you learned or want to learn in the future. So according to the question you want to use the tense. So you should say what it was, how you learned it, and why you learned it, and explain how you felt about it. So you can start like, I have learned many practical skill in my childhood from people around me or in my life. So here I would like to talk about, then you can talk about that particular skill. Or I want to learn many skills such as cooking skill, foreign language skill, or driving skill, and so on. So here I would like to talk about. So according to the question, you want to use the tense. Moving on to the next cue card. Describe a foreign country where you would like to work for a short time. Or they will be asking like, describe a foreign country or culture you want to know more about. So, where you would like to work, what kind of job would it be, when would you like to go, and why you want to work there. So, here you can start your talk like, I'm planning to go abroad for my high studies. My dream country for my further studies is Canada, New Zealand, Australia, or anywhere. Okay. Then, if they ask for a foreign country or culture, means you can start like, I have always wanted to learn about foreign culture. I like meeting people from different places and learning about how they are similar or how they are different. However, there is one culture I have always had a little more fascination towards, that is a Japanese culture or European culture or Chinese culture, anything you can talk about. Moving on to the next cue card. Describe a tradition in your country. So, what it is, who takes part in it, what activities there are, and explain how you feel about it. So, some of the students asked regarding whether you can talk about festivals. Yes, you can talk about festivals too. So, you can start like, there are many traditions in India because India is a multicultural or multilingual society. So, but today I would like to talk about a tradition which is quite popular, especially in our area. Then you can talk about that culture. Okay. Describe an important journey that has been delayed, or they will be asking like, describe a long car journey you had. Then you should include when it was, why it was important, who all were with you, how it was delayed, and how you felt about it. So it's about the important journey that was delayed, means according to that only you want to give the introduction. Okay, India is a beautiful and diverse country, and there are so many things I love about. Unfortunately, its public transportation is not one among them, especially the train and buses in India. So, train and buses often get delayed because of the reason like traffic or any fog or any other reasons or circumstances. So, today I like to talk about one time when I got delayed because of something unexpected occurred. Okay. Then about the long car journey, means also you can start like, I have not been on many long car journeys or the journey by my private vehicles, because I always depend on public transportations like train or bus like that for the long journeys and all, because it will be more comfortable and cost effective. Then today I like to talk about, and then you can start your talk. Describe a family or person which you like and are happy to know about. So, who they are, where they live, how you know them, and explain why you like them. So, sometimes they will be asking about any family. So, you can talk about your cousins, friends, or any relatives' family, or about a particular person. Okay, so you can talk about any friends or relatives, your auntie, uncle, or anyone. Okay, moving on to the next cue card. Describe a time when your family member or a friend asked for your help. So you can talk about any type of help, physical, mental, financial, social, or anything. When it was, who asked you for help, how you help, and how you felt about it. So here you can start to talk about our Indian culture, how we will help each other, and how we are dependent on others, like that. Okay. Then moving on to the next cue card. So, describe a recent goal you set yourself. So, either they will be asking about a goal which was set by yourself and which had a positive result, or else a decision you made recently and had a positive result. The decision related to your profession, your own life, anything. Okay. So, which come out with a positive result. Then you should say what it was, why you wanted it, what you did to get that goal, or and explain how you felt about it. So you should include all the subheadings too. Then moving on to the next cue card, describe a crowded place you have been to, or else they will be asking about the polluted place too. It's the common question they are asking. So you can talk about any crowded place, any theater or any public places, railway station, bus station, or any mall. Okay, you should say where it was, when you went there, why it was crowded, and explain how you felt about the place. Okay, so you should talk about that place in detail. Then moving on to the next cue card, 13th one, describe a school you went to in your childhood. So you want to talk about your school which you studied during your childhood days. So you should say where it was, what it was like. That means the physical appearance, the infrastructure, whether it is single story, double story, or how much building was there, the model, the paint, and all. Then what the teachers were like. Okay, about the teachers, and explain how you felt about it. Whether you have good memories or whether you have any uh, bad memories related to your childhood days and schoolings, your friends and all. Okay, then moving on to the 14th cue card. Describe an interesting place you remember well that was full of colors. So it was also a repeated question from long back, the place full of colors. Okay, then you should say where it was, what it was like, why you went there, and explain why you remember it well. So, we live in a world full of colors. Life would be very dull and boring without colors. So, we love this planet Earth only because of its diversity. So, it is difficult to imagine a life without the blue sky, green grass, the colorful flowers, and all. So, here I would like to talk about a place which I visited. It was full of colors. Then you can talk about that particular place. Okay, then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a new public building or place you have visited. So it's also a repeated question. They will also ask about the historical buildings too sometimes. So you should say where it is, what it looks like, and why you went there, and explain how you felt about it. So you can start like there are many public buildings or places which I would like to visit. So here I would like to talk about any particular place. You can talk about any statue or any particular mall or any new buildings, public library or anything. Okay, then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a friend or a person who is a good leader. So you should say who this person is, how you know him or her, and how he behaves, and explain why you think he is a good leader. So what was the experience you had? So you can start like, I know many people who can lead well, but here I would like to talk about one of my friend who studied along with me during the college days or the university days. Then you can talk about that particular person with the name, how he looks like, and how why you felt he is a good leader, and what was that particular occasion, whether you worked together or something. Okay, then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a person who taught you something important. So, anything, a person who taught you something important. So, you should say who this person is, how you know this person, what this person taught you, and explain how you felt about it. So, you can talk about any particular person who taught you something important. Okay, so I have learned many important things from people around me, or I always love to learn new things. So, one such important thing I learned is cycling or driving or cooking, anything you can talk about, any skills. Okay, the same thing you can apply for the practical skill which you learned or practical skill you want to learn. So, for these three cue cards, you can prepare one answer. So, always try to make jumbo cards. Then moving on to the next cue card, describe a performance you watched recently. Performance in the sense maybe live show or from any television or in mobile, TV, YouTube, anything. You should say what it was and why, when you watched it, and who you were with, and explain why you watched it. So any type of program, musical programs or dance program, any reality shows, anything, or family oriented shows, anything. Okay, so any type of performance you can talk about. So moving on to the next cue card. Describe a difficult challenge you met. You should say what it was, when you met it, where you met it, and explain why you think it is a challenge. So sometimes they will be asking like the risk which you took in your life which come out with a positive result. So you can talk about any difficult challenge which you met or took in your life. So you can start like, I think life would be very boring without challenges. Challenges not only make life more exciting but also very meaningful too. So today I like to talk about a such a situation which happened in my life. Then you can talk about that particular challenge or the risk. Then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a family member who you spent the most time with. So you can talk about any of your family member, your mother, your father, your sister, or anyone who you like to share everything or to like to spend more time with. You should say who this person is, what kind of person he or she is, what do you usually do together, whether you will go out, whether you will cook food together, or whether you will help out in gardening or something like that, or any leisure time activities, and explain why you spend the most time with him or her. Maybe you will be so comfort with him or her, that's why. Moving on to the next cue card, describe clothes you wear on special occasions. So you want to talk about any cloth you like to wear on special occasions. It's not about the formal wear or the daily wear. Okay, so what they are, where you buy them, and why you wear them, and what people think about them. Maybe you have some traditional wears and all. Sometimes you will wear that during the cultural rituals or the festivals and all, related to your religion and all. So sometimes they will ask about your favorite clothes too. Okay, so prepare with that too. Moving on to the next cue card. Describe a time when you first talk in a foreign language. Foreign language, in the sense, you can talk about any language which is not your mother tongue. That is French, German, Spanish, English. If you are talking about English, means try to speak about any childhood days. That means first you appeared in a school, then your teacher told you to narrate a story or to sing a song like that. Where were you? Who you were with? What did you talk about? And explain how you felt about it. So you can talk like, I think the first time I talked in foreign language was when I was in third grade. It happened at my school. My English teacher made me to speak about myself in English with another classmates or in front of the classroom. Then, other than English, as I told you before, you can talk about any particular language you talked related to your profession or something like that. Moving on to the next cue card. Describe a film or movie that made you laugh or made you think a lot. Sometimes they will be asking a film that made you laugh or else the film that made you to think a lot. So what is the name of the movie? When did you watch it? Who you watched it with? And why it made you laugh or to made you to think a lot. So you can start to talk about the film as an entertainment purpose, how much we can able to relax by seeing a movie like that, or else you can talk about your favorite hero or heroine. Okay, then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a water sports you would like to try in the future, or describe a sports you would like to try for the first time. The sports related topics are very common from long back, so you can it's better to study about any sports, especially about the water sports, deep sea diving, scuba diving, or even swimming also. So what it is, where you will do it, whether it is easy or difficult, and why would you like to try. So sometimes they will ask you in past tense also, which you tried, the water sports which you tried, or the sports which you already tried. Okay, then next cue card, talk about something you enjoy doing in a group. So you can talk about any group activity. So what it was, with whom you did it, when you did it, in your school days, or whether it's related to your profession or something, and how you felt about it. So you can start like, I have done many group activities when I was in school, such as playing games like cricket, volleyball, football, or any group activity to submit any survey or any thesis presentation or anything. Okay, so here I am going to talk about the group activity which I was making a model for participating in science exhibition, or related to social science exhibition, max exhibition, anything. Okay, moving on to the next cue card 26. Describe a conversation topic you were not interested in. So previously it was asking like the conversation topic you are interested in. So this time we can expect like this. So along with that, who you talked with when you had the conversation, what the topic was, and explain why you were not interested in. Sometimes the topics were related to politics or sports, anything, and you were not interested in that particular field. Okay, or you are not having much more awareness about that particular field. Okay, so it's better to give an introduction, then start up with your talk. Moving on to the next cue card. Describe a prize that you received, or else they will be asking like, describe a prize you want to win. So what it was, you want to talk about that particular prize, when you received it or when you want to receive it, what did you do for it or what you want to do for it, and explain how you felt about it. So first you can give an introduction about the prize and the importance of prize, how it motivate us and all. So everyone loves prizes, winning them makes one happy. So prizes always motivate us to work hard, or it proves the fact that hard work is the key to success. So you can give small introduction about the prize and its importance, and you can talk about that particular occasion. Okay, next cue card. Describe a time when you changed your opinion or plan. So sometimes they will be asking about the opinion or about the plan. Plan means related to the whether change your plan, like that. So you should say when it was, what the original opinion was, and why you changed it, and explain how you felt about it. So I think changing one's opinion is really hard for some people, but I think it is much better than staying in any false opinion, or it will hurt others, means it's better to change your opinion. So I also had a situation like that in my life. Then you can talk about that particular situation. Or it's related to the plan, means you can talk about any traveling plan which you made, and because of the weather condition or because of any other condition which you changed that plan. Okay. So you can expect any one of this question. Then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a time when you received good news, or describe a good news you received via text message. Okay, so it's better to prepare with any good news. Okay, so what was it about, and who told you the news, when you know it, and how you felt about it, and why do you think it was good? That may be related to your results. You written any examination and you are waiting for the result, and at last your result got published and you get it. Sorry, you got it via the text message, means you can talk about that. Or any messages related to your migration program, or any life events, or related to your friends, family, or anything. Okay, so you can talk about that. Then moving on to the last cue card. Describe an indoor game or outdoor game that you liked to play when you were a child. So it was also in past tense. So it's better to prepare with any indoor games and also one outdoor game. It's a usual question from long back. So it's better to prepare with these cards. So what is it? With whom did you play? How often you played it? And how did you feel about it? Okay, so how did you feel about it now? Okay, while remembering about those days, how you're feeling. So that's all about the cue cards. So it's better to prepare with these cards. You will get any one out of this. Okay, so November month also we updated the cue cards, and I got so much review from the students regarding that. They are getting cue cards now. Also they are getting the cue cards from that collection only. So I hope in December month also you will get the cards from this prepared video. So try to go through this and try to prepare your own cards. Don't mug up with any of the samples and all. So try to prepare your own answers. Okay. So all the very best for your speaking test. Okay, prepare well for both your written and also for your speaking test. Okay, so all the very best. Don't skip your practice. Do it well. Okay, and God bless you. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notifications. If you are not enabling your bell icon, means you will not get to the notification, because most of the students are complaining regarding the notifications. You are not getting the notification regarding the review video, the prediction video and all. So try to select the all option, then only you will be receive all the notifications. Okay, so stay tuned. I will be back with more IELTS related videos, updates, predictions, reviews and all. So stay tuned. Thank you.